Hey, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. This is my Road to Monetization challenge. This is technically the second video that I posted, but I'm actually on my third week, so I missed last week. It wasn't on purpose. It was hugely by accident, but regardless of what, I am going to continue chucking forward. As I stated in my first video, if there were things that came up, I would let you guys know what those things were. Of course, not to get too detailed about what's going on, but I did have a couple challenges last week, quite a bit of challenges, particularly actually this past week. So currently it's Sunday night, and you'll most likely see this on Monday morning, the 24th of August. This was my birthday week. And I had a lot to get out of the way before my birthday, but then Tom came in town. If you don't know what that is, ask your older sister or your mother or your grandmother. They will kindly let you know what it is. So that really threw a damper on my progress in everything that I needed to get done. But then also I had a huge family emergency as well. So this past week was kind of rough and rocky. So I say all that to say, I was not able to post any of my videos this past week. Work just got out of hand, as well as life got extremely out of hand. But I want to make sure that I become more resilient in that way, to where regardless of what, I'm posting something. So that is the goal moving forward. But I was able to film on Monday 2 videos that I'm almost complete with editing. I wasn't able to complete the edits, but I do have 2 videos ready to go. And then I have plans on filming a few more, but then I need to go into my archives to pull out some of my other video footage that I filmed, months ago, so that I can get that stuff posted as well. So I have lots of content to work with. But as far as today, I want to definitely go over my numbers. I was able to post an additional video after I posted my Road to Monetization video. So let me go to my content. Oh, they clearly changed some stuff around. Let me go back into that. Oh, this is very different. They didn't have this like this last week when I posted my first Road to Monetization video. Okay, well, interesting. So they have it separated into different categories, and I guess you could just click through them. That's interesting. Okay, well, we're in the long form content videos, and as you can see, I posted my first Road to Monetization video on the 10th of this month. It is currently the 23rd, so that was exactly 13 days ago, so almost 2 weeks. I ended up posting another video on the 12th, and that was when everyone got notified about the monetization updates that YouTube will be implementing in February of next year, so 2027. I know for a fact that I'll probably definitely be able to get monetized well before that. My goal is to get monetized within the next 30 days. So hopefully I can hunker down and get that done. So those are the 2 videos that I posted. So let's just go to the analytics tab to show. So currently 4,700 views, 39.2 watch hours, and 8+ subscribers in the last 28 days. I think those metrics are pretty much the same from the last time, outside of the viewership and the watch hours. So if we go back and we click into the first one, so the Road to Monetization video, this is my first one. I got 0.4 watch hours on that video, and I got 6 views, no subscribers. Okay, so it seems like the algorithm hasn't really done much. It's saying that it has 272 impressions and the click-through rate is 1.8. One thing that I'm thinking it might be the reason why the impressions are so low, but then the click-through rate is extremely low, is mainly due to my unique thumbnail. So my theme is more retro cartoon, kind of like fun, bubbly cartoon theme. Sometimes people don't know how to differentiate that from AI content. So they may think that I'm actually an AI channel, which I'm not. I'm far from it. I just love really cute artwork, really fun and bubbly artwork. That is actually me. That is just a cartoonified photo of mine. It's like legitimately, that's the exact photo of me. I just made her into a cartoon, and the hair and everything is the same. So I just think that maybe it might be the thumbnail. You guys asked me, I freaking love my thumbnail. Maybe I should just keep it the same, and if people find me, they find me. If they don't, they don't. Maybe I can add my human self on there. I mean, this is not really a face forward channel. It's kind of like a faceless channel, interestingly enough, because you do see me in the footage, but you don't necessarily see me all the time. So I'm not really sure why the viewership is just so low for this video, but I am just now starting, so I have to give the algorithm an opportunity to catch on to my video. So let's go into the analytics of the second video that I posted, which was Road to Monetization Day 2. And the title was YouTube's big monetization update. I made my avatar cry because it was really startling. And then I also had it to where the car on the image looks broke down versus happy and excited to go on this journey. So we do have an increase. So we have double the views. So 12 views versus 6, and 0.7 watch hours versus 0.4. So that is an increase. No subscribers, understandably so. Interestingly enough, a lot of the people who posted, even new people who posted about this update, got pretty good traffic. So I'm a little bummed out that, you know, I guess people don't like these types of thumbnails, which is interesting. I mean, I guess I can understand why, because a lot of people are trying to push back on the whole AI thing. So I could totally understand that. Definitely, if you have like any thoughts about that, let me know. As far as any other metrics that are going on, I mean, that's pretty much it. Not much change has occurred on my channel. Let me go here. Let me go to my channel so you can actually see the thumbnail bigger. So this is what both of the thumbnails look like. Go here. And as you can see, most of my thumbnails are actually really nice. And then when you hover over them, you can see that it's actually a person and it's not AI. So I have a pretty distinct style that I was able to figure out for myself. I really love this style. I feel like it shows you exactly what I'm going to be reviewing. Honestly, I think in the field, I have some of the best thumbnails in the product review world, if not the best, because if you go to search product reviews, you will see how people's thumbnails just don't really look like much of anything. But I was able to figure out a style that works for me that I'm able to like duplicate pretty quickly. So I don't take a long time to create my thumbnails because I kind of already know what style I'm going for. My haul thumbnails, I'm still workshopping that. I like them, but I don't know. I don't feel like people, I mean, I haven't posted enough videos for me to determine whether or not people actually will click on them. So I'm gonna refrain from saying that, but I will do this. So because I'm on here right now, studio, what I'm about to do is something that I should have done last week before I got on here. I'm actually going to see if I can bulk, and I'm going to see if I can turn these off. So I'm actually about to private all of my shorts because I am changing this channel from a short content channel to strictly a long content channel. So currently it's a dual channel, and I don't want that. In my first video, I explained why I didn't want it. So please go back, watch that video so you can kind of hear all the things that I was talking about as far as what I'm going to do for my journey. So as of right now on this video live, I am going to private all of these shorts, and let's see in my next video that I'm going to post for my road to monetization, my next road to monetization video, let's see how that possibly changes the traffic on this page. So I'm going to make those private, update video. So it's like you're about to update the selected videos. This update cannot be stopped once it is started. Okay. So now those videos are being updated to private. So once they go private, they're no longer going to, okay, so I just selected all of them. Once they go private, they're no longer going to qualify for watch time. They're no longer going to qualify for anything. So it's almost going to be like they don't exist on my channel. So I'm going to private all of those. I actually feel good just doing this on the video so you guys can actually see me doing it. I do think that that's extremely beneficial just in case other people may want to do this on their channels. So you'll have a reference. As you can see, this one has over 2,000 views. So a lot of those views that I have will disappear. And then once I do that, we will go back and see. Okay, is that all of them? Okay, let's see. Visibility. Filter. Visibility. Public. Apply. Okay, so, all right. So let me select all of these because all of these are currently public, as we can see. All right. Let me go here, visibility, and let's do private and update. So yeah, if you have gone through a similar situation or you're trying to decide whether or not you should do this for your channel, I guess just use this as like a way to get the motivation. This one has almost 7,000 views. Yeah, I'm about to lose a lot of watch hours. Okay, so 30 videos successfully updated. So now, oops. All right, so let's do this batch. And most of the videos on my channel are literally shorts. So, okay, private update. So the thing about that is this one has over 25,000 views. Holy cow. This one has 8,000. 5, 4, 2, almost 3. Yes, I'm about to lose a lot of views. But I posted these in 2023, so most of that viewership doesn't count anymore anyway, so it really doesn't matter because they count the views based off of a 12-month schedule. Okay, so now we have 4 more that we need to update to private. I'm not freaking out. I felt like when I first said that I was going to do it, I started freaking out a little bit, kind of rethinking it. And I'm just like, no, you're going to do it. So It doesn't even matter. So I'm definitely proud that I'm able to just get this done and get it out the way. And I'm hoping that this will be valuable content for you guys. So just let me know in the comment section below if it is valuable and how this may help you out in your journey, and just kind of help you figure it out. Okay, so let's see. Mattress. Okay. So all of these shorts are now private. Is that still public? Hold up. Let's go back to shorts, visibility, public. Okay. Private. All right. Okay, seems like everything is private now. So let's go back over here and let's look at our content analytics. So I guess when I come back next week, we'll see what that has done. So these views will definitely probably update because most of those views came from the shorts content. So those would definitely probably update for sure. But I don't actually know. I really don't know. I've never done this before. So you guys are learning alongside me. But as of right now, let's go to my main channel. At first, it said that I had 190 something videos. Now I only have 29 videos. So those are all long form content. It's all long form content. That's it. So I no longer have shorts activated on this channel. As you can see, the shorts tab disappeared. So these are all the videos that I have. So with that being said, 29 videos. My goal is to aim to put out 20 quality videos as quickly as possible. That will consist of product hauls, product reviews, tips and tricks, and other things that kind of like fall into the theme of what this channel is about. I don't really do much lifestyle content on here, so I'll probably actually update this and change that from lifestyle and fashion. Lifestyle and fashion, I'm not really sure if I'm going to do much of any of that on here. It's mainly going to be surrounding product reviews, tutorials, and like tips and tricks utilizing the stuff that I purchased and reviewed in previous videos. So with that being said, I will be actually updating quite a bit of stuff on here. As far as like my description, I'll be adding more of like a more polished personality on here, in the sense of like just really being more organized with the type of videos that I'm putting out and how I'm putting them out. I'm looking at doing like a 5-minute review segment where I'll review a product for 5 minutes. So I'll try to give you as much jam-packed information about the product in under 5 minutes. And if you want me to do an extended video on that, kind of talking more about it, doing more of an extensive review, then I can do that as well. But that would have to be something that quite a bit of people are requesting. So with that being said, I hope that today's video was actually helpful and that you learned something. And I'm so glad that you guys were able to hold my hand while I put all of my shorts on private. It was definitely anxiety ridden, but I did it. And that's all that matters. So if you like my content and you want to continue to support me, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.